So guys, we are here on the best Forex broker that we recommend you for the 2024. This is a super safe broker with a high leverage and a very low spread. It's very easy to use. Even if you are not really comfortable with the trading industry, you can easily understand how to sign up, how to create an account, how to send your documents, and how to connect the account to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now, for example, if we want to sign up on this broker, we just have to click on Open Live. From here, we have to fill all these informations, and we have to answer to some questions about our trading experience. When we have our account, we sign up on FPmarkets. And this is the page that we have inside FPmarkets. As you can see, very easy to understand how to use it because here we have all our accounts with the platform where it's connected. So for example, these two accounts are connected with MetaTrader 4 and these two with MetaTrader 5. From here we can add the live account. We have to click on which platform we want to use this account, which currency we want to use, the type of account, and the leverage. We have to set on a trading account password and we click add account. In this way we'll have another account that we can use to trade. We can add a demo account, of course, like most of the brokers. So also from here we have to set all this information and we have our demo account with the fake money. If we click on profile, we have document upload, and from here we can upload our proof of identity and our proof of address. These are two documents that we absolutely have to upload in order to have our account verified, to be able to trade with the real money. If we don't send these documents, we can only trade with a demo account, with an account with fake money. From funding, we can deposit money inside our account, so we can select in which account we want to deposit money. From here we can choose which payment method, so with debit cards, bank transfer, or different payment methods. We also have crypto payments, so we can send cryptocurrency to our account. We have our withdraw section where we can of course withdraw our funds. We select which method of withdrawal we want to withdraw our money, the account. So for example, this one where I have some money, we select the amount of money that we want to withdraw and we click on submit and we receive our money. On social trading, we also have the possibility to copy some trader inside FPmarkets. As you can see in this page, we have some trader that we can copy just selecting on invest, selecting an amount of money that we want to invest on this trader, and this trader will use our money to make his operation. As you can see, we have this page where we can connect our account to this trader, and this trader will use our money to trade. In this way we can make money without trading personally, but just copying this trader. To connect the account to MetaTrader, you only have to go inside MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, selecting login. Of course, this is the account numbers. This is like the username that you have to set, and the password that you have to write to login is the password that you set when you create these live accounts. So it's very, very easy. So guys, this is definitely the broker that for 2024 we recommend you. It's easy to use, it's safe, we didn't have any problem in the whole last year. Guys, FPmarkets is one of the best brokers that at this moment we can find. You can find the link to sign up in bio or also on the first comment below. If you have any questions about this broker, just write a comment below and we'll answer you. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channels. And guys, that's it for this video. Let's see in the next one.